Welcome to Paradise Resort and our Standard King Bunkhouse rooms. With 16 in total, these rooms are all located in Astro's alley on level 2 above reception and are perfect for families of 5 or those wanting easy access to all of the main facilities.
Fit for any pint-sized king or queen, these rooms are generously spacious and feature a plush king-size bed for the adults,
along with a space-themed bunk area for the kids, which features a set of single bunks plus a junior-sized single bed and their own TV, so they can tune into their own channel. One baby cot can also be added next to the king bed for babies up to 2 years of age, or you can bring your own. And although our rooms at Paradise Resort are hotel style, they are not equipped with a full kitchen. However, you will still find a small bar fridge, kettle, and complimentary tea and coffee sachets to make your stay more comfortable. In the ensuite, you'll find a shower and toilet, plus bath and body products, including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo, and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping services. These rooms are also fitted with an air conditioner, as well as a small fan in the kids area to help beat that Gold Coast heat, along with an iron and ironing board, plus a balcony with tables and chairs. And to top it all off, guests can sit back and enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi while you relax on your own private balcony. If you prefer to overlook the action, make sure you choose the Aqua View option, where you'll have views of the lagoon pool or small water park.